4-views port. We've got a beautiful home here. You can see behind me it also has a 3-car garage, which is super nice. Very open floor plan, and what I really love about this plan is you've got 2 bedrooms, 2 baths on the main level. You also get downstairs and have another 2 bedrooms, 2 baths. Here, but this house prior to Memorial Day weekend. Unusual situation because again the house has never been lived in. Some things they still have to do, but a lot of punch list items. They're finishing up the bathrooms, all tile that you'll see. We're going to walk into a beautiful open kitchen, all LG stainless steel appliances. So wonderful property. Let's head on inside and take a look at this layout. All right, we come on into the house. One thing I didn't mention, but the outside hardy board siding on the outside. Come in here, you'll see all these beautiful hardwood floors. This is 3 1/4 inch white oak hardwood floors in here. You can see we've got a nice stone fireplace. It is gas. They do have natural gas in here, and because of that, they will also have a gas stove and burners on top, which is super nice. Let's take a quick walk outside. I love this. Got this nice covered back deck, vaulted ceilings, recessed lighting. Very sturdy rails. You're not going to lean up against this one and fall down for sure. What they're going to be doing in the backyard, they're going to be laying sod here. You can see they've already put down some mulch, but they will have some sod in as well, and then create a small path down to the dock, which we'll get down there here shortly. But as you can see, you've already got a dock in place. And again, you got 125 feet of waterfront. If you take a right out of here, this will get you back out on the main lake, but you got a nice quiet cove. So let's head back inside. Talk about the kitchen a little bit more. Again, we talked about the openness of this. These are quartz countertops, all, very nice drawers. See the slow close drawers there. Again, I said LG stainless steel appliances. You come on over here. We've got the washer, dryer, or laundry room area. Kind of nice to put your shoes and things as you come in off the garage on that side. And again, there's a nice look at all that space we have in that 3-car garage. So tons of space there. All right, let's head over to the other side of the house. Built-in cabinets, you can see, great place to mount a TV. All right, we've got 1 bedroom here to the left. Again, vaulted ceilings, recessed lighting, ceiling fan in place. Again, all the bathrooms will have tile like you're seeing, as well as the quartz countertops. The master bedroom, coming to the master bath. Got the double sinks that you would expect. And we'll go back over to the walk-in closet. Take a quick look at that. Lost my cameraman there for a minute. Coming over here to the double sinks. Again, quartz countertops. Obviously we'll get a mirror in here. Tile again for the bathroom. Little linen closet. They'll also have a tub here, and again a private toilet area. All right, let's head downstairs. All right, come down to the lower level. What I like about this, again, I love an open room, whether you want to set it up as a TV room or put a pool table or gaming tables in here, that type of thing. Couches, you got a wet bar over here. Got area here for another small refrigerator or have whatever you want to put in that particular space. Let's start over here on this side. Now the flooring down here is LVP luxury vinyl plank, you know, waterproof. So you got a great flooring down here, very sturdy and resistant to scratches and things of that nature. Recessed lighting, again, nice fan. Come on in the bathroom, you'll see again the same thing in here, the tile showers, again the quartz countertop. One thing we were talking about up front was the storage in this home. You can see over here they've got a tankless water heater in place, and the panel box. You've got obviously some storage space in here as well. Again, another closet right here, storage. Again, another bedroom on this side. Again, the thing that I love about a 4-bedroom, 4-bath, I just love that everybody has their own bathroom areas. When you have guests staying over, or even your own family, everybody loves that privacy. Similar setup here, tile, tub. And then again, another large storage area here. We've got the heat pump over here. I like this room too because let's say you wanted to have a riding mower or something, you can pull it right in here, but you've got a tremendous amount of space. Or the other thing for your lake toys, you know, put some shelving or different things up here to hold the life vest and all the paddles, lake toy stuff that you have, and it'd be easy access down to the water. All right, let's head out of here and we will go towards the dock and check that out. On our way down the dock, I want to point out the lower level patio here. Again, you've got a ceiling here, so you're not going to have rain coming through. Obviously, you've got concrete above that, but you're going to have an outside fan, recessed lighting. Walk right out here into the grass. And this, we just need to create a path down to the dock. All right, come down the dock. This is an ironwood dock in place here. We've got a storage box as well. Put a little bit of stain on this. It looked brand new, but a nice cover dock. And again, access out to the main lake right out of here. So you just pull out of this cove. But this cove, what I love about it too, it's a nice place where you can lay out on floats and things like that and feel very safe because you're not going to get a lot of traffic out here. But as soon as you go out of that corner and take a left, you're going to really see the big lake, and you got a great location on this. But again, great property. Obviously, it will sell quickly. So if you have any interest, want to get over here as soon as possible, give us a call, 800-682-9098. Also, enjoy the aerial video.